Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome to the third day of the IPL quiz. So after uh, 2 days of IPL quizzing, we are on the third day. So welcome once again for that. So if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. So we will be having 4 more days in the IPL quiz. So without doing any further delay, let's move on to the quiz. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Question 1. Sandeep Lamichhane has played 2020 for franchises sides across the world, including the Melbourne Stars in Big Bash League and Lahore Qalandars in the Pakistan Super League. He is the first player from Nepal to play IPL, for which team he was signed in 2018. So here in the picture you can see Sandeep Lamichhane. Hope I am pronouncing it correctly. So he has played several franchises around the world. So simply you have to tell when he was signed in 2018, he was signed for which team. As simple as that. Moving on to the next question. Question 2. Playing 78 innings for one team as a batsman, he had a best score of 100 not out. As a player, as a bowler, he bowled only 6 overs in 6 seasons he played, considering 58 runs with an economy rate of more than 9. So, and if I am not wrong, he haven't taken a wicket in these 6 overs. So, which legendary player am I talking about who has a best score of 100 in 78 innings, playing for only one team only? So, you have to tell which legendary player. So, focus on that part. Legendary player. He played only 6 seasons. So you have to tell which legendary player. So moving on to next question. Question 3. Straightforward question. Which team has won the runners up in which team was the runners up in 2011 IPL? So you have to tell the runners up in 2011 IPL. So you have to tell who was the runners up in 2011 IPL. So Chennai Super King was the winner in the 2011 edition. So you have to tell which team. So only 7 teams left. One is already ruled out as Chennai Super King was already the winner. So moving on to the next question, question number 4. So a team in IPL can have both Indian and overseas player. So for the question is a maximum of how many overseas player can play in a team for one match. So in a particular match for one team, a maximum of how many overseas player can play. So there's one criteria that maximum of how many players overseas player can play for one team in one particular match. So you have to tell how many. Moving on to next question, question number 5. Which cricketer who has played a total of 102 T20 games picked a wicket off the only ball that he ever bowled in T20 cricket, and that too in IPL in 2013? So this legendary cricketer who has played more than 100 IPL games, more than 100 T20 games, picked a wicket of the only ball that he ever bowled. So focus on that part, that he bowled only one ball in his entire T20 cricket career, and that too in IPL. So he took only one wicket in T20 and that too in IPL, and that was in 2013. So you have to tell which legendary cricketer is this. As you can see, he bowled only one ball, so probably you can think that he is not one of the mainstream bowler. Probably and think someone who bowls very less, and this is one of the greatest unknown fact. So probably many of you have missed the instance as well. So it was my privilege to watch this particular match live, this particular wicket live. So simply tell which cricketer is this. Moving on to next question, question 6. Easy one. How many finals have Mahendra Singh Dhoni played in IPL career? So we know uh, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the consistent player in the IPL, consistent captain I would say, consistent captain in IPL I would say. So you have to tell how many times Mahendra Singh Dhoni played the finals in his IPL career, be it for any team. Despite having 2 years ban, despite having 2 years of ban, uh, Chennai Super King is still in the they still have the record of maximum number of playoffs. So my question is, how many finals have Mahendra Singh Dhoni played in his IPL career? So the question is not CSK or like this. You have to tell the final number of finals by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So easy one. Moving on to next questions. Lots of statistics already done. Let's come to the facts things. Question number 7. Scoring very slow in the beginning to hitting 5 sixes in an over. Leading the team to win the match, Rahul Tewatia became the sensation overnight. So, simply tell which bowler was hit for 5 sixes in an over. So, Rahul Tewatia started very slow in a particular match, in this particular IPL only. He hit 5 sixes in an over and thus leading his team to the win. Simply tell which bowler was hit for 5 sixes in an over by Rahul Tewatia. Easy one. I hope each and every one of you are following this year IPL too. So simply tell which bowler was hit for 5 sixes in an over, known for his famous salute celebration. So probably now this is a easy question, as too many clues were given. Moving on to question number 8. So despite having experienced player and power hitter, RCB got out for a mere 49 runs once, which everyone with everyone scoring in single digit. Against which team was that match played? So when RCB team got out for 49 runs, which was the opponent team? So when RCB got out for 49, each and everyone, all the batsmen, tailenders and the bowlers got out for the single digits. Question is, which team was the opponent team which trashed away RCB in that particular match? So simply tell which team. Easiest of the lot. Moving to penultimate question. Question 9. Which player recently became the third batsman to score 5,000 runs in IPL history? Current affairs question. So this particular player became the third player to score 5,000 runs in IPL history. As simple as that. So 5,000 run in IPL is a very big achievement, I would say. So which player recently became the third batsman to do this particular achievement? Moving on to the last question of today's episode. So question 10. Mithu Borua is a national record holder in swimming She also represented the country at Asian Championships and SAF Games. Simply, her son plays for which particular team? So, Mithu Borwa, national record holder in swimming, represented country in Asian Games and SAF Games, Asian Championship and SAF Games. Simply tell her son plays for which particular team. So, by the name, go for a particular player, then target on which team he is playing for. So remember, I am asking for the name of the team, not the name of the player. So a quick recap. So question 10, we were asking for the son of Mithu Borwa plays for which particular team. Question 9, which player recently became the third baseman to score 5,000 runs in IPL history. Question 8, against which team RCB got out for 49 runs. Question 7, to which bowler Rahul Tewatia scored hit for a 5 sixes in an over. So in an over, Rahul Tewatia scored 5 sixes. Which bowler? Question 6, how many finals Mahendra Singh Dhoni played in his IPL career? Question 5, looking for the particular cricketer who took a wicket off the only ball that he bowled ever in a T20 cricket, which was in IPL 2013. So which cricketer? Question 4, we are looking for a particular number, a maximum of how many overseas player can play in a team for one match. Question 3, which team was the runners-up in 2011 IPL? Question 2, looking for a particular cricketer who played 78 innings and the maximum score, best score was 100 not out, and as a bowler he bowled 6 overs and conceded 58 runs. In 6 seasons he played for a particular team with more than 9 economy rate. So which legendary player is being talked about? And question number 1, Sandeep Lamichhane was signed in 2018 by which particular team? So that's all from today's video, today's episode. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the full video. See you in the answer section, and hope you will join tomorrow as well. Thank you.